Welcome to it once again, boxing fans. It is Mbuyekezo Boxing Channel, bringing you nothing else but the boxing, the best of boxing. Tonight we come to you from Amtata, where we bring you the Nelson Mandela Centenary celebration. It's a boxing tournament that is hosted by South Africa, hosted right in this province of the Eastern Cape, where three countries are involved in this battle here over this celebration. It is South Africa versus Lesotho versus Swaziland. Here with me, I've got the program of the evening, and one of the best fights that we can look up to, it's you'd remember Chris van Heerden is his brother, Joan van Heerden, fighting Lesotho Pitso from Lesotho. That is one of the greatest bout we'll be looking for. Now, as you know that Nelson Mandela at this year, 2018, he would have been turning 100 years altogether. So the open boxing tournament, rather open boxing stage, has decided to set up a beautiful tournament in preparation and in honor of Nelson Mandela's age. Well, we'll be keeping you posted with all the developments of this particular tournament here. Till then, we'll be talking to various other people. Eastern Cape MEC of Sport is here, as well as various other people that we'll mention. But as time progresses, just before we resume the tournament, we will talk to you once again. My name is Nelso Mandela, and yes, I am out.